If you're getting CapCut error 106, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you 3 simple fixes that can help you get back to editing and exporting without the frustration. This error usually happens when CapCut can't find a file, doesn't have the right permissions, or runs into a problem with the export location. The good news is, these are usually easy to fix in just a few minutes, and if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's fix the most common cause, which is missing files in your project. Open your CapCut project and take a look at your media library. If you see any clips with an exclamation mark, a missing file icon, or anything that looks disconnected, that means CapCut has lost the original source file. To fix this, right-click on the missing file, or click the missing media indicator if that's what you see, and then manually locate the file on your hard drive. Once you reconnect the missing media, CapCut should be able to read the project properly again. This step is really important because even one missing clip can cause export errors like 1006. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to try is running CapCut as an administrator. To do that, close CapCut completely first, then go to your desktop. Right-click the CapCut icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives CapCut the permissions it may need to access files, render your project correctly, and complete the export. After CapCut opens, go back to your project and try exporting again. A lot of times, this alone is enough to fix the issue, especially on Windows systems where permission problems can interfere with exports. Now, if you're still seeing error 1006, the next fix is to change your export destination. Open the export window in CapCut and find the Save to Path option. Instead of saving to the same folder that's causing issues, choose a different location that's easy to access, like your desktop or even a dedicated external drive if you're using one. Sometimes the folder path is too long, the drive is temporarily unavailable, or CapCut simply has trouble writing to that location. Switching the export destination can quickly solve that problem. After you pick the new folder, try exporting one more time and see if the error disappears. In many cases, one of these 3 fixes will solve CapCut error 1006 right away. So just to recap, reconnect any missing files, run CapCut as administrator, and change your export destination to a simpler folder. If you've gone through all 3 steps and you're still having trouble, it may be worth restarting your computer, checking for a CapCut update, or clearing some space on your drive before trying again. I hope this helped you fix the issue and get your project exported successfully. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.